Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing embassy letters. These are letters issued by an embassy. In this case, the UK is what we're discussing, the British Embassy here in Bangkok. And they are issued by an embassy basically as this Thai visa amnesty is coming to an end. And we are seeing situations wherein folks are needing to regularize their status, or there have been announcements, and we've gone into this at length on this channel, that under certain circumstances, ad hoc 30-day stamps could be obtained under certain circumstances for folks who fit the profile. But you have to show documentation and cause for getting those letters. And while there has been some reversal on embassy policy, specifically foreign embassy policy here in Thailand, regarding whether or not they will issue letters for their nationals, there has been some very pertinent information I found, specifically on the website thaiexaminer.com, in an article titled Visa Amnesty to End with 30-Day Extensions on Application as the Focus Moves to Long-Stay Visa Holders. Quoting directly, inability to pay for a plane fare is not a valid ground to stay in Thailand, but assistance is available. So I'm quoting this in the context of talking about Thai embassy letters and whether or not an embassy will grant them. And as they note before that quotation I just made, I just cited, they also note, however, such a letter must be on the basis that the applicant cannot procure a flight home or cannot return home on demonstrably genuine grounds. And I thought that turn of phrase was very accurately described the circumstances as I see them playing out with respect to these embassy letters. So quoting further, grounds to apply for a 30-day visa extension does not encompass where an applicant simply cannot afford the plane fare home. Many embassies, such as the UK and American missions in Bangkok, are offering special financial measures to their nationals once they contact the embassy seeking help. The UK embassy, and this is notable for this video, makes it specifically clear that if a UK national can return to the United Kingdom, then there is no reason to issue a visa extension letter. So I wanted to go ahead and make this video. We primarily do videos on this channel talking about Thai immigration or Thais immigrating to the United States, oftentimes, as well as Americans coming here to Thailand. But we do have a global and international practice, and for that reason, I want to try to provide as much information out there as I can to the English-speaking peoples in order to provide as much clarity as to how this is all working. So it looks to me like those who are dealing with the UK embassy, you're going to need to show demonstrable grounds as to why you need one of these letters. Meanwhile, it's probably a good idea, if you have the option to regularize or normalize your status prior to the 26th of December, I cannot stress this enough. It is a very good idea to do that because you have options. You're in lawful status after the amnesty. To sort of base your ongoing presence in Thailand on sort of an ad hoc kind of program, I just don't think it's overly prudent. And for that reason, and it's also, it should not be presumed that this ad hoc sort of courtesy type visa is going to be provided in perpetuity in the months to come.